evening, Quadcopter 101 here with a review of the JJRC H12C. It is a very windy day today, and I just got this quadcopter in, and I want to take advantages of this wind just to see how well this thing flies on a windy day. We're talking wind of about 15 knots here. I've heard some people complain about this acting like a sail in the wind. Let's find out. You know, I'm just curious how this will fly in the wind. So, go out in the field here. Again, we're getting about a 15 knot breeze coming by here, coming through here. Pretty hefty wind. Okay, I got the quadcopter facing into the wind, binding it to the quadcopter, the transmitter. And I want to go right to 100% mode because of this wind. And you increase the... there we are. And we're at 100%. Let's see if this can fight the wind. This is the JJRC H12C. And yes, it can. This is a 15 knot wind, folks, and it's doing a good job. So I don't know what people are talking about this thing acting like a sail. Let's fly it downwind and see if it can come back upwind again. It's a heck of a wind for it to be fighting, but it's doing it. See? So this one can actually fly in the wind very well. I don't know what people are talking about with this in the wind. The H12C. It's a windy day flyer too. I think the people that were complaining about this in the wind just don't know how to fly in the wind. It's doing a very good job in the wind, actually. Again, I'm at 100% though. In future flights, I'm going to demonstrate the camera. Right now, I'm just demonstrating its flight ability, particularly in the wind. I'm going to do maneuverability tests too on this. I think this is a really damn cool looking quadcopter. I don't know why this one hasn't really taken off. In terms of sales, it's got a 10 megapixel camera. Unfortunately, the light is pretty terrible for video right now, so even for my Mobius camera. But again, this is just a quick test of this thing in the wind, and it can fight the wind. That's a hell of a wind. See? Okay, now the wind's getting a little gusty for it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Like that. I think my batteries are getting low. I'm going to land it. I didn't fully charge that battery, by the way. This just came in the mail today. And that's the battery with the stock charge that it had while it was in the mail. So, okay, this thing can fight the wind. I don't know what people are talking about. This is a great quadcopter, good flyer. That makes me confident in its abilities. We're going to have wind here the next few days, but as soon as it calms down a bit, I'll do more videos of this H12C showing its camera capability. It has a 10 megapixel, 1080p camera, not 10 megapixel, I'm sorry, 1080p HD camera, which is pretty cool. What I've seen so far, it's a good camera. It has other features. I'll go into them later in future reviews. Again, this was just to show its ability to fight the wind. It can fight the wind. This is Quadcopter 101. Hope you enjoyed this review. Quadcopter 101 signing out.